Hello everyone. So the question given is, let x belongs to real numbers and let p equals to 111022003 and matrix q equals to 2xx040xx6 and r equals to pq. The solution is r equals to p inverse. Magnitude of r equals to mod p into mod q into mod of p inverse. Determinant of q equals to 2 into 24 minus x into 0 plus x into minus 4x, which is equals to 48 minus 4x square. P equals matrix p equals to 111022003 to q into x equals to 0, which is equals to 200040006. R equals to pq r inverse, which is equals to 24608120018 into 1 by 6 6 minus 3003 minus 2002, which is equals to 1 by 6 12640248 0036, which is equals to 2 by 3 4 by 3 006. R minus 6i into 1 by a b equals to minus 4 2 by 3 0 minus 2 4 by 3 000 into 1 a b, which is equals to minus 4 plus a plus 2b by 3 0 minus 2a plus 4b by 3 000. Now minus 4 plus a plus 2b by 3 equals to 0 and minus 2a plus 4b divided by 3 equals to 0, which implies a equals to 2 and b equals to 3. Therefore a plus b equals to 5. Now pq equals to qp, which implies x plus 4 plus x equals to 2 plus 2x plus 0, which implies no value exists.